Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gradient text effect on CapCut PC. So go to library and select any colors that you want for the gradient. I'm just going to select like the landscape ratio, and I'm just going to add in some colors like this. So just like adjust it and then go to mask, and you're going to select the horizontal one. And you're just going to want to create a gradient, like any kind that you want, of course. And just keep adding some colors here. Whoops. Can I just do this? Thank you very much. And let's add like one more color. I don't want to be super tedious with this, so let's put this one on the top like so. Okay, go to text and grab your text, and I'm just going to type in the word sunset. If I can just type, then I'm just going to go to library again. I'm going to add in a black stock video like that. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, go to basic, blend mode, darken. And if you don't see all the colors, you can like adjust it and make it a little bit smaller. Maybe turn off uniform scale and adjust the scale width, I guess, like that. And if you want to overlay, just select export still frame. I'm just going to export it here so that I can kind of overlay it. Go to blend mode and select brighten and like add it on top of a video or something like that if you want. It's not going to show up that much though, especially if your video is like light. So just keep that in mind. It is a little bit harder. Maybe just have it like this. You can still see the video, but again, it's because the gradient text is inside of the black screen. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!